Ito nga mga boss sa naging celebration ng Golden State Warriors matapos nga nilang talunin ngayong araw eto nga San Antonio Spurs sa magkasunod na laban. Lipin na rin natin mga boss ang bagong achievement ni Stephen Curry na kung saan napantayan niya na si Michael Jordan. Samantalang eto grabe ang lakas ng Detroit Pistons mga boss, nasa ika-9th win streak na sila dito nga sa regular season. Lahat ng yan mga boss na tara't pag-usapan natin yan. So tinalo nga ng Golden State Warriors eto ng San Antonio Spurs sa isang napakagandang laban mga boss no, sa final score na 109-108. Ang unahan nga dyan ni Stephen Curry etong Warriors with 49 points, 4 rebounds at 2 assists. Dahil nga muling nakapagtala etong si Stephen Curry ng 40 plus points sa edad na 30 plus, tapos niya makapagtala ng 46 sa unang laban nila sa Spurs. Tapos ngayon sa second game nila kontra sa Spurs ulit na 49 ay napantayan niya na si Michael Jordan na merong 44 games sa edad na 30 plus years old na merong 40 points plus. Ito mga boss, silipin naman natin na naging reaction dyan ni Stephen Curry at ang naging celebration nila dito nga sa locker room.
Good team they got over there. Took everything for us to get it done, but that's how you grind out a win when everything's going against you. So they don't love my numbers, but the whole team showed up. DP, Draymond, GP, Al, Jimmy, Mo, everybody stepped up. We gotta love it. We gotta love it.
What's happening? We got Andy's obsession on stage right now.
How you get it out, baby? Way to go.
Any more information on this?
Come on!
That was a game right there.
Great job, fellas. That was incredible. That was high-level competition, and we just battled the whole game and stayed with it. Made some huge plays. You know, I hardly ever say anything about this guy because he just does it every night. But I feel like I might say something. Please, okay. Actually, Dre, what would you do? Let's have one of the rookies or one of the young guys say something. We'll get picked. It looks like Will should.
Will Richard.
Will Richard. Let's show Will Richard here. What
No. We got Jack. Jack, come on, talk to us.
Hey man, God just blessed Steph, man. I don't know.
Just up, 1, 2, 3. Just up.
Sa ngayon, kung sisilipin natin itong Western Conference standing ay nangunguna pa rin dyan itong Thunder with 12 wins at 1 loss. Ikaapat ng Lakers with 9 wins at 4 loss. Sa ikawalong pwesto naman ng Warriors with 8 wins at 6 loss. Para naman dito nga sa Detroit Pistons mga boss, eto nasa 9th win streak na sila matapos nga nilang talunin ngayong araw eto ng Philadelphia 76ers sa final score na 114 at 108. Nanguna para sa Pistons atong si Javonte Green with 21 points. Sabi sobrang lakas ng Detroit Pistons kahit hindi nakapaglaro ang kanilang star player na si Cade Cunningham. Kung gusto pa na may basketball updates gaya nito ay huwag niyong kakalimutang i-follow itong ating page.